Now the bottom box, first we'll go over the dimensions. Let's open this up. Interior dimensions is we're going to call this 11 3/4 by, we're going to do from the handle to the handle, just under 17 inches and just over 14 inches deep. Still smells like plastic. Okay, the wheels, they are plastic wheels which roll pretty smooth. The wheels are 7-inch in diameter. Here we go. And the handle, just push this blue button, handle raises up, handle goes back down. It has a little pocket right here for whatever you might want to put in it. Tape measure, just whatever. Has a little step right here, so you can put your feet on it, or your foot, and when you go tilt it back, you just tilt it back without it kicking out from under you. Good feature to have. Pretty nice little box here. Now granted, this is not as strong as some of the other makers, such as a Milwaukee Packout or the DeWalt's, or even the Craftsman Trade Stack. This is a Craftsman Versus Stack. I use this one a lot. But Craftsman also has a Trade Stack which is bigger than this. But around $85 for the 3 pieces at Walmart. Not too bad at all. I can see women that uses a lot of sewing or knitting or something to that effect, using this to carry their stuff around, maybe go to their meetings.